First of all, a very good morning to all of you. My topic is reverse engineering. Then task 1, title Case Studies of College Student Planning on Reverse Engineering Case Studies. It's parts of its 2050 mission aiming at developing values, attitude and abilities in its students. The ITESMI has carried out a complete redesign of its educational system, dramatically challenging the traditional environment based on giving lectures. In this model, the main role of the learning process is assumed by the students rather than the teaching. Collaborative learning is combined with individual work so that the explorations of the students complements but does not replace lectures. In addition, established teaching techniques whose efficiency has been already demonstrated are applied and incorporated into the didactic process. On the other hand, the underlying educational model makes extensive use of information technology that offers enrich and enhance the learning problem. In short, the students occupy a main role revolving around his or her self-learning and following fundamental principles such as constructivism and estimations of actions. The active learning technique is specifically emphasized in this model. Following this basic principle, students must discover new phenomena and concepts by themselves, and they must be able to relate this concept with previous knowledge. Motivation is the key driving force. Teamwork is strongly promoted. More established techniques such as problem-based learning and project-oriented learning are incorporated into this model. The learning process is inductive instead of deductive so that the students can develop skills and abilities that demand an active participation. Creativity and innovations are formally promoted by different activities. It seems as though many are considering the recent doubling of students' loan rates as a tipping point of the education cost issue, with more alternative payment programs resulting. No matter where you attend college today, costs have skyrocketed, leaving students with the impending doom of students debate for years to come. Meanwhile, public funding for education has been declining to the point of non-existence as far as many students are concerned. Post-graduation students will have 3% of their employer's paycheck deducted for about a quarter of a certain in order to pay back the program. The deducted amount will then pay for future student studies. Payment will be based on a sliding scale of a individual student income, which means that even student who does not obtain a great job after graduation will benefit for the relief efforts. Case study 2. Case studies of distance education on reverse engineering problems. Case studies. Problem. The function of the engineering pro- promissions is to manipulate materials, energy and information. Teaching the several subjects include information about theory that must be complemented by experimentations in order to construct the knowledge. These complementaries can be achieved by demonstrations of learned concept or by verifying if some experiment meet the specification. Each college has its own principle, although frequency based on a common model, and so it happens with the associated learning strategies. However, these can no longer be static and are becoming increasingly dynamic in order to take advantage of recent technological or distant advance, being a constant challenge for the educator. The education model is rising in efficiency but also in com- complexities. One motivation for this originated from prospective employers and it related with the manner how graduate students react in the presence of actually solved problems. In the real world, sometimes it is necessary to propose a solution. Online distance education is the latest trend in the education industry. Even though most of the courses offered today are non-technical, there is a large market for online technical education, leading to graduate and undergraduate accredited degrees. This paper studies the current state of the online education industries and propose way and means for providing comprehensive laboratories-based technical degree through online distance education. The, lit- the, litera- the literature is replete with evidence of the growing demand for distance education. As universities digitally enhance more courses, the distinctions between distance and local education is becoming blurred and vague as most universities offer online courses as a part of their curriculum. Digitally enhanced courses provide students in traditional classroom with more opportunities for independent study. Even in a conventional face-to-face system, students spend much of their time working on their own. Case study. Case studies of intelligent tests on reverse engineering. Case studies. We conduct a case study in academia with students to empirically evaluate the usability and effectiveness of the virtualization process and the TDD adaptation into RE process. The results have shown that students with a good performance in testing had also good performance in designing UML class diagram. Moreover, the implications of hierarchical test case or the already prioritized functionalities improve code compressions and redesigning in the RE process in terms of better total grade obtained. The technique combine lightweight event level dynamic profiling to collect user profiles in a transparent manner, GUI reverse engineering to extract the structure of the component, GUI test execution to replay the collected profiles on the new version and GUI Oracle state collect properties for the exciting version. Instead of moving towards intelligent in automation, testing now requires an overhead of testing by QA engineering with advanced degree. Look at Jenkins for example, a common skill requirement of Fortune 500 QA teams candidates. But developers need Jenkins now. It is imperative because the industry evolved towards complexity instead of intelligence. Testing is getting more difficult instead of easier. Testing should not require scripting. Now, functionalized liberates developers from scripted testing. Functionalized contain the testing intelligence to become the perfect partner in verification and validation of web app because it is the only testing solution that is powered by adaptive event analysis. The intelligence of functionize is the new way in true automation testing. Functionize is a relief to developers, QA, customers, and even the human resource of an enterprise. Case study 4. Case studies of hygiene on reverse engineering. This story do not represent the full magnitude of harm and injury that occur on a regular basis due to hygiene incidences in high school, college, military bases, sport team, performing art group, and beyond. Typically, incidences of hygienic only come to the attentions of schools and university officials when the activity results in traumatic injuries or fatalities. Thrones and Corsaro 2003. Hygiene has linked to cultural rites of passage and test of manhood throughout the history of societies and has linked to academic pursuits that can be traced back to the times of Socrates and Plato. Kuzmich 2000, Newig 2004, Totos and Johnson 2004. Those who have a higher status within a group or organization's class rank age use hygiene as a tactic to bring potential new members into the same group. Hygienic is presented as games that educate the initiate into the grammar of violence by playing out neutralized rules of submissions and success. In hygiene, the confusing mix of play and violence, pain and encouragement, fear and joy, orderly and expression, and the hyper exaggerated sense of realities. By the mental disorientations of alcohol abuse work to prove that honorable loyalty to the group is the highest good. Task 2. In the first step of reverse engineering my app. Then second step my app. Then third step my app to my app being. Step 4 my app being released. Step 5 my app being released. myapp.exe. Step 6, then download 8.5 KB myapp. Step 7, then locate myapp and password the myapp, then unlock the myapp. Step 8, then open Visual Studio in myapp. Then download the steps 9, then download the string. Step 10, then go to string and extract the string. Step 11, then desktop and go to CD desktop and go to path. Step 12, myapp beans release, then myapp. Then go to myapp, go to beans, go to release, then go to myapp. Step 30, then go ILSPA and download binaries and download reflexes and some method it. Step 14, then go ILSPA and download reflexing ILSPA bin 0.4 GB. Step 15, then go ILSPA and go to file and open string myapp, then go beans. Step 16, then go myapp, then go beams, then go release. Step 17, then go unlock app and then some operation and operands are choose in it. Step 18, then go myapp patched and go and locate myapp. Step 19, then locate myapp and code are invalidate, then correct code are unlocked myapp. Then all the ISPA app string or all the app are downloaded in the laptop. और नीचे कॉल